Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and I have Macbook Mockup. These files are Adobe Photoshop CC and 79.4 MB, 3000 by 2000 is the regulation. So drag this file to Photoshop, and I have a thumbnail of my friend channel. So this used for advertising any. So you import your design, or you can write anything here. For example, your design here, and I drag this file there. So crop this file, but no, just you can adjust it. Control S for saving, and you see our thumbnail or our ad, our banner in Macbook. So you can write more details here. For example, Sheri SK is Sheri SK best channel for free graphics templates. Depend your choice. So you can write anything you write here, or you make a box, or make a paragraph here, and fill any color, black, opacity down, and you can write more details. And second option is drop shadow. You can adjust shadow angle is here. Depend your own choice. You can do everything, or you can write anything here. I hope this video is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.